Hi guys, welcome to Z Bakeries, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create these beautiful chocolate covered strawberry cupcakes. So for this you're going to need some chocolate cupcakes, some strawberries that I've already dipped and drizzled with chocolate, some colorful sprinkles, some chocolate ganache, and some frosting or buttercream. So over here I have a piping bag that I've already filled with my frosting, and I'm using a Wilton tip number 4B to create the design on my cupcake. So you want to add pressure to the center of your cupcake, go counterclockwise, and then release. So I'm going to show you a close-up. So you're going to start by going in the center and applying pressure, and then you're going to want to go counterclockwise, and right when you make it to the end you're going to release. So you can see that my frosting is loose. However, if you want to use any sort of buttercream, you can use that as well. You could also change it up by using different types of piping tips as well. So once all of your cupcakes have been frosted, then you're going to take your chocolate ganache and you're going to create this design in the center of your cupcakes. So I'm going to show you a close-up. I'm just going to be creating kind of like this chocolate sundae kind of design in the center. And I'm doing it with chocolate ganache, which is basically just heavy cream and some chocolate. You can also do a white chocolate ganache if you want as well. It completely depends on the design that you're going for. So then you're going to do that on all of your cupcakes. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video, please do like, share, and comment, and hit that bell notification so you guys do get notified each time I do make a new video. And also, if you guys have any sort of questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below because I love hearing them. And I would love to help with any of your questions. So back to the video, I'm going to be now taking some of the colorful sprinkles and I'm going to be applying them to the center of the cupcake. And you want to do that with all of your cupcakes, so you just want to add some generous amount of sprinkles on all of them. So I decided to go with the colorful sprinkles. However, you could completely omit that, or you can just go with one particular color if you want as well. So once you've added sprinkles to all of your cupcakes, now we're going to be carefully placing chocolate covered strawberries on the top of each one. So you want to, I'll just show a close-up. I'm going to take my cupcake and I'm going to carefully place the chocolate covered strawberry on the center of the cupcake. And I just want to do that carefully placing the strawberry on all of your cupcakes. Also, if you guys are wondering how I made these chocolate covered strawberries, I actually explain all of this in another video for my Neapolitan cake. So I will actually link that in the description box below or in the eye icon above. So once you've placed the strawberries on all of the cupcakes, now your beautiful chocolate covered strawberries are complete. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and if you do give these a try, please do tag me on my Instagram Z Bakery, since I love seeing your recreations. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do so since I upload a new video each week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.